The Forest Opera. I returned to the woods of childhood, afraid of the dark green silence, but wanting to be alone, wanting also that sense of a trusted other close by.
Beyond the river, beyond the trees, I thought I saw the hint of a figure on the path.
But as I walked under the canopy of cool leaves, it transformed before me into silver birch leaning in the breeze. Soft and calm in her mossy velvet dress, her taffeta shadows.
I felt my heart arrive, and I knew I was safe. I touched her trunk, her rough bark and wrinkled skin, pressed my cheek to it and whispered my fears.
She scooped me up in her branches and held me close, so close I could hear the sap rising inside her. Time slowed, and beneath the sounds of my breathing, my heart an offbeat metronome, beneath the birdsong and the sunshine.
Low, low notes like fine roots began to surface from the undergrowth. I heard small fairy beatings rustle under cover.
A dog chasing scents through wild garlic and splashing into the Dyke where spores and willow seed floated over the water. And nearby, a soft whir as mayflies yo-yoed the air.
As this sound world bound itself around me, trumpet flowers like open mouths, all the voices of the forest congregated into one glorious chorus.
An evergreen crescendo that dismantled the soaked-up choir.